Welcome to your first shipment tutorial for sending products to Amazon Mexico. Big step, we'll guide you through it. This shipment is designed for small volumes. It is designed to test your market in Mexico.
First of all, this is the landing page of Amazon Seller Central. First thing you have to do is to change from from United States to Mexico. Sometimes it takes a while to refresh, but this is the way. You'll see here everything is the same as yours. Just change the exchange currency. So you go to the three dashes, then you go to inventory. You go to manage all inventory. You're going to select the products that you want to send into Mexico. You click down here and select group action, and you click on send or replace inventory. Okay, once you have selected this, you have to click, and you have to choose the amount of boxes that you want to send. For example, I wanted to send 2, and each box is of 15 pieces. Here, if you click here, you can print your SKU labels. It's the one that goes into Amazon FBA for each one of your products, right? So then you go here, you put ready to send, okay? And then you go confirm and continue. Okay, this is where you're almost finished. It's selecting the carrier. You're gonna put small parcel delivery, and you have to select DHL Airways Inc. This address still is gonna be the same as United States. So you have to go to change, add new contact. We're gonna share you all the information. Then you put save and close, and that's it. You're gonna create the shipment. You accept charges and confirm shipment.
Don't forget to download all documents to upload them into our shipment platform.